presets on the stereo receiver, the power button, 1 through 12, 1 through 16 for preset channels, which is kind of nice. Again, the remote sensor right there in the middle, headphones, you can see the signal strength meter, and green indicator for CD playing right now, as well as also the choice between that and the tuner. And again, different inputs here, copying from tape 2 to tape 1. Auxiliary video tuner again. FM mode, whether you're choosing manual or mono or stereo. Tuner mode, whether you're choosing manual or automatic. And again, band AM, FM. And also if you're choosing mono, stereo for your mode. So